friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as different free courses in our channel. So in this video also I will discuss about free courses which has come from TCS. So we will discuss in detail in this video. So before that, if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe our channel because you will be getting these new videos for latest courses, free courses as well as interview tips for your campus placement. So you can subscribe, and if you really like the content, you can like this video. So in this video we can now start that this video is for every graduates as well as the non-graduate students also who are under the undergraduate stage. Those can also do this TCS free courses, and you will get the certification after completing the course. After giving the examination of this particular course, you will get a huge idea about the communication skills, as well as you can improve your communication skills, interview skills. There are lots of different courses. Okay, so these are from the main your campus placement related course. Like you can see, this is the soft skill development course, this is also the career enhancement program course, it's resume writing course. So all these courses are very relevant to the students who are in the undergraduate, in college, or in the school also. They can take this resume writing and cover letter writing course so that they can get the idea. So after completing the course, you need to give the examination. You will be able to avail that certification after giving the exam, okay, or after pass the exam. So here you will get the group discussion course also. So nowadays in every company, through virtual assessment, they sometimes provide the GD round or the group discussion round. So there are lots of things we need to keep in mind for GD or the group discussion. So those things you will get from get idea about group discussion from this course. So I think it's very much helpful for you guys. So if you interested in Agile also, Agile technology, you can able to learn Agile. This course you can take it from here. And also there are lots of course you can go through. I will share this link, and if you are thinking that you can directly click your link and you will be able to avail the certificate, I will say that no, I will show you the steps. Please stay tuned with me. So like I'm just showing you, this one is the suppose I am taking this business of wealth management, or I will say I can choose another course. I am just showing you the course present there, like supply chain planning also. Later I will show you the process of registration. So you can see there are lots of different courses, business logistics courses also. So those who are in accounts branch also, not only the students who are in the BTech or MTech graduate undergraduate department, you have to be a non-graduate or non-technical students also, you can apply. So you can see the types of courses they are offering. It's free because you will get the free certificate, and you will showcase this certificate in your resume later when you sit for campus placement, and you can share this certificate to your LinkedIn profile also. So there are various of advantages to do this certification. So I will say try to do this certification. It will be helpful for you guys. So that's the thing I want to say. So now I am just taking this course, that Vedic text and grammar. Okay, so you can see this particular thing is eligible for the 10th 12th board students also. Okay, so you have to just log in with your account if you have an account. Otherwise you can directly log in with your Google ID. So I will show you by logging in with Google ID, so that you can easily able to follow me, and you can share your doubts in my comment section, so I can solve your doubts there. So I think it's very much helpful. You can really like this video if you really want to be with me, and also let me know in the comment section that this video is helping you or not, so that I can prepare this type of videos later also. So after logging in, we will be able to see the subscribe button for taking the subscription of that course. So you can see the name has been updated here. I need to select the state here. So just click on continue with Google. then the subscription will be added to you. So you have to click on OK, and you have to go through this notification or the privacy notice. So you just need to read out the privacy notice. So you have to click on this I have read agreed. So no need to read, actually just scroll down a little bit down, then you will be able to click the button, actually like I am doing, you can able to see. So just hit this button and click on OK. Then you can see you want to subscribe the product. I will select confirm, then it will be added to my subscription pack. Okay, this is my dashboard for referring other courses, or this is actually the dashboard where you will to see the course. So just click on the course there. So you can see the courses branches and batches will be seen to you here. So just click on launch here from directly here, just click on the launch button here from, and from there you will be able to see the contents. In the left side you can see there are lots of contents. Okay, so by choosing these contents you can complete. Here will be shown some videos, you can go through the videos to gain your ideas. Then after completing this course you need to give the examination. Okay, so when you will click on the last module of this course, you will be able to see, or you need to click on mark as read if you already had written this. Then here you can see the score is showing that what % you have completed or not. Okay, so then the completion criteria you need to go through. So you can see the pass percentage is given here, that if you will score 100 in their assessment, you will be able to get the certificate, otherwise you will not get the certificate. So go through the content very clearly and clear your knowledge so that you can able to get the certificate. So this is the whole process, actually how you can avail the course and how you will get the certificate. So just share your doubts in my comment section, that whether you are getting the certificate after completion of the course, and also don't forget to share your doubts regarding the registration process if you felt any. So that's it. If you really like this video, you can subscribe our channel and hit the like button. So for this video I am keeping the like target as 1000. So if you really want to share this video, you can share with your friends. Thank you.